come along with me as I clean out my fridge. It's been a minute since I cleaned this thing, and to me, it's gross. It actually had a smell. I don't know what it was. My husband has raw meat that he has in here oftentimes because he feeds our animals a raw diet. So I don't know if something was in there, he left it in there too long, but I know when I opened the fridge earlier that day, I was like, no, I have to clean this thing and get rid of whatever's in here. What do you put in your refrigerator? Like, I feel like there's never anything in here really outside of condiments and like milk, beverages, eggs, butter. But I always feel like lost. What goes in the fridge? Fruit, of course, cheeses, but that's it. So I'm going to go through this fridge and empty it completely out so I can see what I'm dealing with. That Rayo's definitely went in the trash. Do you guys drink protein juice? A few years ago, I had bariatric surgery. And so I was like, everything protein juice, protein shakes, whatever was protein, I was on it. And when I say those protein drinks, the juice was gross. I think that's the worst protein supplement that I've ever had. That went into the trash as well. So just come along with me. Maybe this will encourage some of you guys to go clean out your refrigerator. Maybe you've been putting it off for longer than what you should have. So yeah, enjoy the show. So this is the final result after I had everything cleaned up. I went and restocked what I didn't throw out and added some new waters to the fridge and things like that. And yeah, it didn't take me long. I think it took me about an hour to get through this whole thing. It looks better. It feels better. It smells fresh. And I won't mind going in my fridge to go get the things that I need to prepare meals for my family. Did you clean your fridge today?